This is what you call Freemason gangstalking. So whatever room I go in, they make these clicking noises. Let me show you real quick. No, they stopped now. This is gangstalking. I'm at work right now. And these folks, delirious. Let me show you. You hear that? Everything's alright?
Everything's alright.
That's good. You notice the speakers are not going off? That's what you call gang stalking. When you're at work and hey, you see it on the video. I didn't lie. I went to another room, another area, and it wasn't tapping. But now it's tapping. God bless.